Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kayla. We miss you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Kayla. I hope you enjoy your party. Miss you so much. Hope to see you soonest.
Happy birthday, Kayla. We miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Kayla.
Happy birthday! We love you!
Birthday, Ate Kayla. Wishing you good health and success in life. God bless.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Kayla. Happy birthday, Kayla. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Kayla. Masasabi ko na napakaswerte ninyo na lumaki kayo na naibigay ng magulang niyo ang mga gusto ninyo. Kaya sana wag nating kalilimutan ang paghihirap ng ating mga magulang. Again, happy birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. Enjoy your day and I love you. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Kayla. Miss you. See you soon. Happy birthday, Kayla. Miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Kayla. God bless.
Happy birthday!